Newman, let's get out of here before they do. You lost your AK, hey? Well, we'll have to get you another one. And try to hold on to it this time. Miguel, take out those towers!
Any more bullets! 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 Any more bullets!
Muchas gracias, afición. Esto es para vosotros. ¡Sí!
Head into the jungle. Maybe we can lose them in there. Enemy in the base! Newman, let's hope we're safe in here. Enemigo, estás protegiendo. Don't let me shot. Estás protegiendo. ¡Oso velo! Ah, crap. Looks like we ran right into their camp. Come on. Maybe we can find a way to call for help. While I radio for help. Hey, can anyone hear me? This is Mustang 1-4 for Mustang 6. Enemy in the base! Miguel, Yes, this is Mustang 1-4. We're taken by enemy forces during a battle. Affirmative. We need air evac. Taking down the coordinates. We'll see you there. Just a bit longer, Newman. Come on, Newman. I've got the coordinates for the LZ and radios for us. Let's get out of here.
Welcome back, Newman. You two get to the evac site and the chopper will get you back to civilization.
Yes, sir. I don't think we can get through that way. Let's try over here. Oh, man. I'm really looking forward to a decent shower when we get out of here. And a clean pair of socks. Hurry! It's falling apart! We're almost at the LZ. It's just ahead. Keep your eyes peeled when we're out in the open.
Keep moving, you two. The chopper is almost at the LZ.
I'm un enemigo de base. There's too many enemies incoming for it to land. Give me a hand. I'm un enemigo de base.
Going to alternate LZ.
Enemy in the base.
Crap.
Alerta,
I don't see an exit.
refuerzos. O enemigo, estás protegiendo. ¡Atacar! To hell with you! ¡Oso velo! Enemy in the base! Ah! Enemy in the base! We're almost at the LZ. It's just ahead. Keep your eyes peeled when we're out in the open.
Keep moving, you two. The chopper is almost at the LZ. shot. Going to alternate LZ.
Crap. I don't see an exit.
Osomelo!
Enemy in sight!
¡Oh, enemigo! ¡Estás protegiendo! Enemy in the base! Osomelo! Don't have a shot! To hell with you! To hell with you! Enemy in the base! Oh, enemigo, estás protegiendo. ¡Atacar! Enemy in sight!
Son of a... Come on, let's move!
Alerta! Refuerzos! Enemy in the base! Enemy in the base! The chopper gets there.
We're trying to shake them, sir, but there's a whole lot of them!
I'm un enemigo de base. Enemy in the base. ¡Oh, enemigo! ¡Estás protegiendo! I don't have a shot! Boys, I've got Commander Starks on the radio.
Good to have you back, soldiers. We're closing in on Abu Baha's associates. I need you to brief me on everything you've learned about Pablo.
Looks like the last of them. Get on board!